There she goes. Hey, Christine, how you doing, girl? Did you miss me? Did you miss me, girl? Speak to me if you're ready to play. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, man. Damn, I had to let the car quiet down a little bit before I could start talking, man, because damn, she was loud. But anyway, of course, man, it's your boy Fatkat, as you know. Today, man, we're just gonna do a quick little video. I know I had a few people that asked me, especially when I first did the video of the window tint. I had a few people ask me about you know, how was it to ride, you know, drive at night and things like that. So if you guys can't tell, man, it's kind of dark outside. I got off of work a little bit late tonight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you this perfect opportunity to give you guys a driving at night video with the tint, right? So for all the people out there that are even considering doing it or you know, thinking about it or whatever the case, I know some states are a little bit more strict than others as far as, you know, the tint and everything else. But if you're in a state or in an area or in a county or whatever it is, in a city, in a town that it may not be as strict, or if you're just like, fuck it, I'm gonna do it anyway, whatever the case, man. But either way, man, if you're ever thinking about doing the windshield tint and how it may look at night, this is the video right here for you guys. It was one of maybe like 2 or 3 people that did ask me about it, but just like in class, man, you know, they always say no question is a stupid question, because trust me, if you're thinking about it, or if you have that question, then maybe 4 or 5 other people have the same question. They just don't want to ask it, man. So there you go. So this is the video for you guys that want to go out there and maybe thinking about doing a windshield tint. This is the video for you guys to watch and see how it might look. Now, I don't know if it's going to pick up exactly on the camera as how it looks in my, you know, in person, but I guess you'll get an idea. Remember, I have 30% windshield tint on the front of my window, on my whole windshield tint, a whole windshield. I got 30%. And then I have, it's just 15% on the side. So it's not too dark on the sides. Normally I go 5% on the sides and then 30% on the front. So so it's not gonna look super, super dark as far as, you know, what I'm used to. But still 50% on the sides all the way around, and then 30% on the front. So kind of gives you an idea. So there we go, man. So hopefully you guys get something out of it. It won't be a super long video, well, hopefully it won't be super long, just a couple minutes. Like I said, just so you guys get an idea, man, on the way home, pretty much, man. Other than that, man, let's go. All right, so there you go, man. So hopefully you guys got something out of that. Try to get some different, you know, roads and highways and whatever else, so you guys could kind of get a perspective. The very last road that I went down, as I said on the bottom of the screen, I mean, it literally has zero streetlights at all, man. So hopefully kind of give you what that would look like with no lights at all whatsoever other than your headlights. So there you go, man. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I know it was kind of like a quote-unquote you know, boring video, but like I said, I know it was suggested, so you know, I gotta bring what the people want, man. So there you go, man. So that was driving at nighttime with 30% full windshield tint, and 15% tint all the way else, you know, all the way around the car. And there you go, man. So again, hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys could make some other suggestions or whatever, or anything else you guys might want to see, or if you guys got any questions or whatever, man, feel free to leave it on the comments below, man. As you guys see, or if you guys know, if it's your first time watching my video, I pretty much respond to every single comment that I get, every single question, every single comment, whatever the case, man. So if you got a comment or a question or whatever it is, make sure you put it down below, man, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Fatkat8181. It's going to be on the bottom of the screen as well. Make sure you follow me on there as well, man. You're pretty much going to get all the, I don't want to say exclusive, but you'll pretty much know what's happening before it's happening, because obviously I post on Instagram first, and then, you know, because it's much easier to post it on there real quick, and then before the video comes out, man. So at least you'll know what's coming up. Other than that, one last thing I got to announce is the next milestone for the subscriber count in order for my next modification. If you don't know, if it's your first time watching my video, the way I'm doing my mods on this car, and this 2019 Charger Scat Pack, the way I'm doing the mods on the car is every time I reach a certain milestone of subscribers, I will do another mod to the car. So what I've done so far, if you don't know what I've done so far, go back and watch those videos. But those were for the 500 and for the 1,000. And I know we're right around 2,000 right now. So the very next milestone we're going to get to is 2,600 subscribers. All right, so we only got about 500 subscribers to go. 2,600 subscribers, I do my next mod, man. So make sure you guys share this with all your friends and your family and everything else. Your mammy, your pappy, your auntie, right? Depending on where you're from. Because people say differently in the South and the North, or the what, you know, Midwest or whatnot. But everyone, man, your cousin, like I said, your uncle, your friends, your family, your baby mama, your baby father, everybody, man. And I've always, and like always, tu mamá, tu papá, tu tía, tu tío, tu primo, everybody, man. So anyway, so that's all I got for this video. Hopefully it didn't turn out to be too long. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe, and after you do that, make sure you hit that bell, because you want to make sure you stay up to date on what's going on. You want to get the notifications, because like I always say, man, it doesn't stop. We're going to keep going from here. I'm just getting started with this car, so there's going to be a lot more to come. Appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Later.